So, welcome to this lesson in which we're going to be interacting with the content creator agent inside of Enso. In this first, again, lesson in which we're going to be interacting with these agents, we're going to be analyzing the social media content creation profiles of these different agents. And as you will see in this lesson right here, we will have options to generate pretty much content for every single social media platform. So for Facebook, for X, for Instagram, for Twitter, okay, obviously X is Twitter, for LinkedIn, and all that stuff, right? So I'm very excited to have you here. Let's dive and engage with our first AI agent. So how do you access, again, the AI agents? We're here in the interface of Enso. We go into browse categories and click on social media content. So right here, we're in the hub, right, of social media content agents. And as you can see, we can either improve our LinkedIn profile, generate LinkedIn content, Twitter content, Facebook content, and Instagram content, right? And of course, we also have Instagram templates and Facebook templates. So let's go ahead and explore all of these different aspects, or at least the most important ones. So let's start, for example, by generating X content. Let's see how I can interact with this agent to create content on X, right? So first of all, on the left part, in the left part of the screen, you will see that you will be able to tweak all of that stuff and input information to the agent to be able to, again, understand and contextualize what you're trying to say. So we can either create a post or a thread. Let's say we create a post, and we can see on real time on the right part of the screen, the post being created. Regarding the style, we can change all of the different styles. So we can have like humor, for example, give stats and facts, inspiration and motivation. So let's go ahead and move with questions for engagement. After that, we're able to select the tone. So witty, inspirational, and formal. Let's do, for example, inspirational, right? And the topic of our post, right? So let's say the topic should be, let's see, what should the topic be? Okay, so for example, my company is the Course Creation Academy, and I specialize on helping people create, launch, and scale courses and turning their passion into profit. So let's say talk about the importance of being able to make money from by teaching what you love, right? Let's see. And also got to have some questions for engagement and inspirational. So look at this. The freedom to share your passion and get paid for it. That's the power of being a thought leader. What skills or experience could you monetize through teaching or consulting, right? An example of a Twitter post. Or another one. You can turn your expertise into income. The possibilities are endless. What hidden talents could you transform into a profitable side hustle or full-time career? And again, another one, right? Imagine getting paid to do what you love the most. The key is finding the intersection of your passions and what the market values. You can copy this and paste it on your X profile just like that. So of course we can change the tone. Let's go on hot takes, for example, and opinions, and do it witty, right? In the same exact topic. Just like that, we have, again, our post generated. How cool is that? So passion and profit equals winning combo. Monetization expertise and watch the money roll in, right? And that was witty. So another one. Tired of the 9 to 5 grind, become a thought leader and get paid to share your knowledge, right? Let's do a poll, for example. Again, how about inspirational? Regenerate. Again, under the same umbrella. And keep in mind that the more information you add to the topic, right, the more, let's say, targeted posts it will create. So ever dreamed of turning your passion into a profitable career? The power of teaching what you love can unlock a world of financial freedom and fulfillment. Let's explore the possibilities. And of course, you can add images. You get the point, right? The cool thing here is that as you engage with the agent, it just gathers more information about your business, again, the way that you want to write your posts. And of course, by keeping the topic same and changing all of these different variables, for example, the style of your post and the tone of the voice of your post, or if it's a post or a thread, you can just keep adding variability to your Twitter content. And that's just so cool. And I'm just very excited to test this out furthermore. And of course, we can do the same exact thing. Okay. And of course, we can utilize the social media agent not only for X, but also on LinkedIn. So for example, on LinkedIn, if we want to automate LinkedIn posts, which by the way, I absolutely recommend you to automate your LinkedIn posts if you're posting on LinkedIn, and try to post, again, consistently, because on LinkedIn, again, everything grows exponentially because once someone engages with your post, it's been shown to all of their followers. So being a constant poster on LinkedIn, it's actually an awesome way to grow your business. But you can see that you can actually choose which one of these you want to focus on. So do you want to make people laugh? Do you want to have a professional brand profile? Do you want to maximize engagement or let's say optimize for viral growth? Let's do the professional brand one, right? And of course, you can also connect to LinkedIn to have this agent, let's say, passively and automatically publishing these posts on LinkedIn. But this way, you just completely outsource your whole content, let's say, schedule, which is absolutely awesome. So let's say that I'm the founder of CCA, Course Creation Academy, and I want to talk about the, let's say, the ability we have to monetize what we love through teaching online, right? So, of course, choose the tone of your voice. In this case, as we're targeting the professional brand, it is already, let's say, it has already chosen the professional tone, but we can also have a casual tone or an energetic tone. So let's do the casual tone, right? And you can see that casual posts will use a conversational, relaxed writing style while you're chatting with a friend. Just like that, we're generating it, and we'll just give it a second for this post of ours to be generated. And here is the post that we have on LinkedIn. It is, again, a professional post around, again, what we chose. So ever thought of turning your hobby into an online class and making money while you're at it? The Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule, suggests that a small amount of your efforts often leads to the majority of the results. So once in a while, I hit pause on the chaos of emails and coffee-fueled meetings to really dig into my work strategy. So again, it is a LinkedIn post. It is a sophisticated LinkedIn post, and we can also optimize for viral growth. So the exact same parameters. So again, talking about the ability we have to monetize what we love through teaching online, and me being the founder of the Course Creation Academy, we can also generate the same exact, again, with the same exact parameters, but different messaging. So right now, again, we're optimizing for viral growth. Let's see what Enso generates and how we can compare it with the professional brand one. So for example, this is for viral growth. Are you finally ready to make money by teaching what you love? So here's the funny thing. Just when I thought I had the digital teaching world all figured out, I stumbled across a cat video. Yes, a cat video that had over 1 million views. Why am I talking about cats? Because these days, if a furball can captivate the internet, you can definitely teach your niche and make a living from it. And again, so another cool post generated like that on LinkedIn, and we have like 3 variants that we can choose from. So variant 1, variant 2, right? Can you really turn your passion into cash by teaching online? Okay, let me tell you, a world where we actually make money from the things we love. It feels pretty magical, but here we are spilling the beans on how teaching online can make it happen, right? And variable number 3. So again, all of these cool stuff, and they can automatically be connected and published to LinkedIn. How cool is that? So this was the LinkedIn, again, offer that this agents can do, which is awesome. You can, in this way, you saw how easy it is to both use X and use LinkedIn and post on these platforms on the regular while keeping, again, the same parameters and the same, let's say, foundation, right, behind all of your posts, but just changing the tone, for example, and the different, let's say, way that we present our offer and our messaging online. And the same you can do with Facebook or Instagram. So let's move to Instagram content, for example. And right here, you're going to see something very cool, which is the ability that these agents have to generate images on Instagram. So again, business description. Let's say describe your business and we'll generate relevant images. We help people turn their passions into money by teaching online, right? Topic, let's say, and add a specific topic to focus your content. So let's say the topic is teaching online, right? And then we choose a style, select style. We're gonna see all of these different styles. We can do line art, black and white. We can do flat minimalistic vector illustration. We can do like graffiti, burst, GTA, hand-drawn realistic ones, modern graffiti, faceless rituals, all that stuff, right? So let's see which one we could choose, and also realistic. So let's do the line art, which is black and white, right? So we chose this, right? And then we can also, by the way, create custom styles. So now we've chosen this, we can click on generate, and it will literally generate like 3 Instagram posts, and we can also do stories or a strategic approach around this. So let's see what this Enso bot will generate around, again, us helping people turn their passions into money by teaching online as a black and white cartoon. I'm very, very excited to see how this goes. And just like that, these are the 3 results that we have, right? Result number 1, result number 2, and result number 3. And I actually really, really like them. And here I'll actually have more, right? I actually really, really like this one right here, from passion to paycheck. I might actually also absorb this into my brand because it's very cool. Let's say it gave us a description. You already have a skill to someone who's searching for. Why not get paid to, again, share it? You can also edit this and publish it if you connect to Instagram. So again, if you connect Instagram to Enso, you can directly publish just like that. Boom, publish, boom, publish, boom, publish. And the same thing in stories, right? You can see that it just created these stories just like that. Ever thought of teaching online? Turn your talent into cash. Let's teach and earn. Turn hobby into cash. And again, right here, you will see that finally in the Instagram creator tab, you can see that we have a literal Instagram marketing advisor integrated in the strategy menu, right? So it says, hello, I'm your Instagram marketing advisor. I understand your business and I've analyzed your captions. What specific aspects of your Instagram strategy would you like to discuss today, right? So I want to grow, right, my following with the intent to sell more one-on-one coaching services, right? Which would be a very normal prompt to add if you have a business, right? And you're trying to leverage Instagram. And just like that, the Instagram strategy advisor gave us an answer. So great, you're helping people turn their passion into money by teaching online. And what you want, more followers, and you want more followers so you can tell, oh fuck. And you want more followers so you can sell more one-on-one coaching services. Let's break this down in a super simple way to go over how you can improve your content strategy. So attracting the right people, building trust, make it easy to work with you. So again, a complete strategy advisor integrated with this AI agent, which is just so cool. And there are so many other ways to engage with this agent too, right? Not to mention the fact that you can directly publish posts inside of Enso to your Instagram. You can just imagine, I think that you're starting to really see the power of these agents inside of this hub. You can literally be pumping thousands, if you want, pieces of content every single day, which is awesome, right? And let's now finally check. I think that the Facebook content, it's not worth testing at the moment because it wouldn't be very similar to the Instagram content. But what I want you to see is the LinkedIn profile improver. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be pasting my LinkedIn profile right here and see how we can improve it. Let's click on generate and see how this agent will be able to improve my LinkedIn profile. And of course, everything is aligned with my brand. So you can see that my brand is analyzed, my name is analyzed, the colors of my brand are analyzed, and here we have the estimated time that it will take for this agent to work, which is just 1 minute and 46 seconds. And needless to say that this agent is now working for us like completely for free. And look at this. It actually created like our LinkedIn, let's say, suggestion before the 2-minute mark was done, like in some seconds. So you can see that this is a whole PDF document that analyzes how we can literally improve our LinkedIn profile. And we go ahead and download this. For example, profile picture and banner. It says that the profile picture is professional, clear, and well lit. It portrays confidence and approachability. Examples of effective profile. Again, high resolution headshot. Just gives you more and more information on how you can just optimize stuff. Headline, for example, it's present and descriptive. Analysis. The headline effectively communicates your role and leadership position. However, it could be enhanced by including keywords that reflect your expertise and value, right? So it gave me feedback around my headline, right? So more optimization tips, right? Section, the about section. It's detailed and comprehensive analysis. The about section provides a thorough overview of your background, achievements, and current focus. It effectively highlights your expertise in online education and course creation. However, it will benefit from a more structured format and a clear call to action. So just like that, we have, again, a PDF generated on how we can improve our LinkedIn profile, which I think that it's absolutely awesome. And again, you can change your brand here. You can change your website. You can change the company name. So again, this AI agent, which suggests you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile, will know how to tailor the messaging based on your website. So keep in mind that when I signed up for Enso and when you sign up with Enso, it will ask you your company website for you to input it. So it gets more context and information about what you do, right? And this is the business description again, which it generated. So just by inputting my website, in literally seconds, it analyzed my website and it gave me this description, which is very, very accurate. So the Course Creation Academy, founded by Lambros Osopoulos, helps creators and freelancers transform their expertise into profitable online courses, right? So that's just so cool, right? Now, as we're here, I think it would be actually cool to also check out the Instagram templates that we have, right? So all of these are already pre-made Instagram templates that we can leverage and directly, let's say it's just plug and play system to just plug our content there, use these templates, and just leverage these templates. For example, let's check out the GTA style Instagram post, right? I'm a huge fan of GTA, so let's see how that goes. I'd like to post about sustainable living tips. This is just a topic that you could use. In our case, I want to post about teaching online, right? Teaching online. So let's generate this. How cool is all of this? I mean, we've just come so far. Technology has come so far. Like back 2 years ago, everything should be done manually. And now in less than 2 minutes, we can have like a literal Instagram post created just like that. And I bet you that it will do this in less than 2 minutes. So let's see. Again, my name is analyzed, the brand is analyzed, the brand colors are analyzed, and we're just creating visuals at this moment. Yep. And just like that, these posts are generated. So let's go ahead and see them. With rapid advancements in digital education, teaching online opens doors to innovative learning experiences. Explore the latest trends like micro learning and AI driven courses that offer blah, blah, blah. You can see like people lining up in this edutech expo and ready to move in this new online world of teaching online. How cool is that? Look at how many different, let's say, post recommendations we have. And again, by connecting to Instagram, you can literally with one click publish, which is just awesome. So this was the basic overview of the social media content creation agent. And you just saw how many applications these agents have in our social media journey. So you can optimize your LinkedIn profile, create LinkedIn posts, change the tone of your LinkedIn posts, create X posts, X threads, change the tone from professional to more chill to funny to controversial, right? And of course, again, once you connect your social media accounts to Enso, you will be able to just with the click of one button be able to just post on all of these platforms, which is just awesome, right? Now, this concludes the first agent that we analyzed, which is the social media agent. And now the next agent we're talking about is the business operations agent, potentially the most important factor of your whole business that is worth outsourcing. And trust me, this would cost so many dollars to outsource to a real human being, but now we can directly automate it with these AI bots, right? So more information about automating and outsourcing business operations with AI agents in the next lesson of this course.